guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you can download and install the Zoom application to your Windows computer. If you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11 or even 12, then this video is for you. So first of all, click on the search tab and type Microsoft Store. Click on the app to open. Wait until the application loads its welcome menu or the main page. Go to the search apps and type Zoom. Hit enter. And here, Zoom One Platform to connect app productivity. Just click on the title. Here we are in the main page, Zoom Video Communication Inc. Click Install. So the application will start being downloaded and installed in your computer. And once done, the button on which we clicked now should turn into Open. And once we click Open, we'll be able to use the Zoom application. I will pause the video here and we will take back once the download and installation is completed, as it's being done automatically. As you can see, it's installed. However, for unknown reason, it doesn't show open. So I will just go to the search tab and I will type Zoom. I will click on the application to open. And then the application should open without problems. We'll be prompted to sign up or to log in accordingly. So here you have it. You can either join a meeting or click sign in. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.